Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to the land down under? Australia, with its stunning landscapes, world-class education, and diverse culture, offers a golden opportunity for Indian students to expand their horizons. Welcome to Contentholic, your trusted partner in realizing your dreams of studying in Australia. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of applying for an Australian visa as an Indian student. So let's begin with this. But before we dive in, let's discuss the first question. Why study in Australia? With globally renowned universities, innovative research opportunities, and a student-friendly environment, Australia is the perfect destination for academic excellence. Now, let's unravel the Australian visa application process step by step, specifically tailored for the Indian students. Step number 1. Choosing the right course and institution. The journey starts with selecting the right course and institution. Research thoroughly, considering factors like your field of interest, university reputation, and location preferences. Step number 2 would be obtaining an offer letter. Once you have chosen your desired program, apply to your selected institutions. Upon acceptance, you will receive an offer letter. This letter is crucial for your visa application. Step number 3 would be GTE assessment. Next is prepare your genuine temporary entrant, that is GTE statement. This document explains your genuine intent to study in Australia and showcases your ties to India. Step number 4 is health insurance. Don't forget the health insurance. Overseas students health cover, that is OSHC, is mandatory for your stay in Australia. Arrange this before you depart. Step 5, visa application. Now comes the visa application process. Complete the student visa subclass 500 application online. Be ready with essential documents like your passport, offer letter, GTE statement, and proof of funds. Step number 6 would be biometrics and visa interview. You may need to attend a biometrics appointment and a visa interview. Present your documents truthfully and confidently. Step number 7, visa decision. Once your application is reviewed, you will receive a decision on your visa. Congratulations if it's approved. Remember, the journey to Australia begins with a well-prepared visa application. And that's where Contentholic steps in. For personalized guidance, seamless documentation, and expert assistance, contact Contentholic, your study abroad partner. Let's make your dream of studying in Australia a reality. Contact us at Contentholic, and together we will navigate the path to your successful Australian adventure. Thank you so much for connecting today with me.